Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This AT4 is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating as well. Drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both in there. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, integrated chiller braking system, dual USB ports and an outlet. Truck has the all black interior with dual glove boxes, and we have our AT4 heated and ventilated seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC AT4, 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack all-terrain tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, 5.3-liter plaque on the front fender. Coming to the front of the AT4, you do have the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, making room for those big wheel and tire packages. We have the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Red matched grille with the dark chrome inserts and red tow hooks up front. Just coming to the back, rear tinted privacy windows and blacked out window trim. Vehicle has a color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, trailer tow package, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row, 60-40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. In-seat storage feature with a solid rear window and defrost. Solid roof over top with LED lighting and dual USB ports in the back of the center console. Rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.